Hey guys, it's Antoni. I'm here with Real Simple and Boursin, and we're going to teach you how to make the perfect Friendsgiving, and we're going to do some awesome rapid fire questions that I'm going to answer so quickly and not get distracted. If I'm hosting, I like to take care of the protein myself because I'm very particular and I do 1 or 2 veggie sides, but especially I have a lot of friends from different countries, so I like them to bring something back that's their ethnicity, or they can kind of like look back so I can learn about some kind of new dish. Cheese board, always. When guests arrive at your house, they should always have something they can munch on immediately. Easy, simple, because you got to focus in the kitchen, you got to get that meal done. Okay, I'm gonna give you 2. One of them, super easy, Yukon Gold potatoes, mash them, whip up some boursin inside, and then the second, I love using the whole ingredient of a vegetable. Carrots are available year-round. Buy them with the greens, don't waste the whole ingredient, make a carrot top pesto, drizzle it over, make sure the pine nuts are really dark and brown, because otherwise if they're not, it kind of tastes a little chalky, and then smear some boursin on the bed. Recently, Ted Allen taught me this. My old boss, I was his assistant, and he's OG Queer Eye guy. He got me into dry brining a bird. I would wet brine it for so long, and I was never able to get that beautiful crust on the outside, like that golden brown color. By dry brining, it releases a lot of the moisture, and then it soaks it back in with the salt and whatever other aromatics you put in. So it flavors it beautifully, and you can still get that nice golden crust. And don't be afraid of butter. Simple, elegant, like what we have here is like white with a little bit of gold to keep it chic. I like to focus on the food and the company. It was my first year in New York, and I didn't do a turkey. I did 2 roasted chickens with my roommate at the time, PJ, and both chickens fell right on the floor. We didn't have any pets, but we kept our apartment pretty clean. Yeah, we still ate them. We're all best friends. It doesn't matter. I'm all about lighting, mood lighting. I know we don't have it very dim right now because we're recording this, but I like to keep the lights nice and low, and I love scented candles, but they do not have a place on a table because it interferes with the scent of the food. So I keep those typically in the living room, and I love white, either like soy or beeswax candles, so it's still super romantic AF, but it doesn't have like unnecessary scents.